Welcome to DennisTechTips. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload videos on YouTube. If there is any section of this video that you are most interested in, you can use the timestamps in the description to jump to that section. So let's get started. So here I am on my browser and I'm signed into YouTube. At the top right hand corner, you see a create button. When you click on it, you will see this menu and you have the options to either upload a video or go live on YouTube. But our concern right now is uploading a video. So I'm going to click on that. After clicking on the button, you get this page where you have to select the file or video you want to upload. By clicking on this select file button, select the location where you have the file, select the file. I am going to select mine, which is how to drink water, and click on open. Or you can simply drag and drop the file in here. After selecting the file, it will start uploading and you can view the upload progress down here. While it's uploading, you can start filling up this information here. You have 4 different tabs that you have to go through. You have the details tab, the video elements tab, the checks tab, and the visibility tab. You are going to make sure all these tabs are checked by filling in the necessary information. Within the details tab, you can give the video a title. After giving it a title, next you have the description. Right here you have to give a detailed explanation of what your video is about because this helps viewers to find your video and convince them to watch it. Links and any other additional information can be included here. Once the video is done uploading, right here you can choose a thumbnail for it. These are suggested thumbnails from your video. Or you can add a custom thumbnail. The recommended YouTube thumbnail resolution is 1280 by 720 and must not be more than 2 MB in size. Within the playlist, you can add video to a playlist. When you click on this field, you will see all the playlists available in your channel, and then you can select the one you want. Next you have audience. Right here you can specify whom your video is made for, whether it's made for kids or not. If the video is made for the general audience, that is, it could appeal to anyone and not made specifically for children, you can go ahead and select the no, it's not made for kids option. But if the video or content is specifically for children, you will have to select the yes, it's made for kids option. You can also set age restrictions on the content. You can restrict your video from viewers over the age of 18, and you can decide not to. When you scroll down a bit, down here you can add tags. Tags are keywords that describe the content of your video. They help YouTube to understand the context of your video. Tags are very important ranking factors in YouTube search algorithm. So type in the keywords that are related to what your video is about, separating them with commas. So I am uploading a video on how to drink water. I am going to add tags like water, comma, how to, drink water, a glass of water, and so on. Within the video element tabs, you can add subtitles, an end screen, and cards. End screen helps promote videos and encourage your viewers to subscribe at the end of your video. It can be added within the last 5 to 30 seconds of your video. You can add up to 4 different videos on your end screen. Cards are clickable links to other contents that appear during your video. It can be a video link, a playlist, or a channel link, just like the one you are seeing at the top of this video right now. You can add up to 5 different cards in your video. The check star checks your content automatically for copyright claims and ad suitability. If your content contains other people's content like music or videos uploaded on YouTube, it will detect it and draw your attention. Lastly, you have the visibility tab. You can save your video or you can schedule it for a later date. When you select the save or publish option, you can make your video public, private, or unlisted. When you make your video public, this means that the video can be viewed by anyone. It can be shared, and when a related keyword is searched, it will show up in search results with other related videos. Private means that it can only be seen by you and whomever you choose. You won't see it in the video tabs of your channel homepage. They won't show up in search results. Unlisted means that the video can only be seen and shared by anyone with the video link. It won't show in the videos tab of your channel homepage. When you select the schedule option, right here you can select a future date and time you want your video to be made public. The video will remain private until the day you choose for it to be made public. You can also set the video as a premiere by checking this box. When you are done and all the tabs are checked, you can go through each tab again to see if something is left. When you are done, you can go ahead and hit on the publish button and publish your video. So that's it. That is how to upload videos on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. To see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.